Let me say you something that sounds wrong. ChatGPT is bad for your business.
Wait, why the hell did you operate on my left side? The appendix is on the right.
You're absolutely right. I'll go again.
Not because it's dumb, but because people use it like a toy. You ask a serious question, you need a real answer to do your job. And instead it gives you a poem or a long, confident answer that is just totally wrong. And when you tell it that it's wrong, it says, "Oh, sorry, you are correct." That isn't an assistant, that is a yes man. And deep down, this scares you because you see new competitors popping up. They are faster, they are cheaper, and you know they are using AI. If you don't figure out this soon, you won't just fall behind, you will become a dinosaur. Here is the real problem. ChatGPT doesn't know you. It doesn't know your business. It is naked AI. Let me show you the difference with a quick story. I have a friend named Mike. Mike owns a local auto repair shop. Old school guy, built it with his bare hands. But last month he looked exhausted. He told me, "Anton, I can't keep up. The new franchise shops diagnose cars in 10 minutes. My guy spent an hour just looking through manuals." He tried ChatGPT, but he said, "It gave me maybe answers. I can't run my business on maybe." I told him, "Mike, stop using naked AI. Give me 2 weeks, I will build you an actual employee." 2 weeks later, I came back. No robot, no fancy setup, just a simple web app. I said, "Watch this." A car had just put in a 2020 Ford F-150 with a weird rattling noise. Normally that is an hour of guessing for a new mechanic. Instead, I opened the app. I just spoke like a 2020 Ford F-150 rattling noise from the front left brake. Now watch closely. ChatGPT would have guessed. It would have said, "Check the brakes." But my agent didn't guess. It stopped, it thought, and it asked one clarifying question. Does the noise happen only when braking or also over bumps? It didn't guess, it clarified. Just like a master mechanic. I tied back only when the brakes are applied. And boom, it gave me the specific answer. Loose brake caliper bolts, worn guide pins, missing anti-rattle clips. The mechanic checked the first item, the bolt was loose. Fixed in 5 minutes. Mike's jaw hit the floor. He asked, "How is it so smart?" Okay, pause. Nerd muted. I promise to keep this simple. If you want to know how I built this, here's the secret. Behind that simple app, there is a brain I built using a tool called N8N. When I spoke to the phone, the system did 3 things. It took my voice and transcribed it into text perfectly. It sent the text to a custom AI agent I built on Google Gemini. And here is the magic: memory. We use a session ID. That means the agent remembers the conversation. It remembers we are talking about that specific Ford truck from 2 minutes ago. And most importantly, privacy. We can create a separate account for every employee, so nobody sees your private data. It's secure, it's smart, and it's fast. This changed Mike's business. Now every mechanic has an AI mechanic in their pocket. They work faster, they make fewer mistakes, and Mike, he isn't scared of the competition anymore. He is the competition. And this isn't just for mechanics. Real estate agents calculate mortgage payments instantly based on the specific house you are standing in. Or HVAC Techs. You just type in the error code and it tells you exactly which part to replace. Landscapers calculate quotes in the driveway based on your specific labor costs. You don't need to be a coder. You just need to stop treating AI like a toy. Now, I don't give out templates. This isn't a download and hope it works thing. It needs to be built for your business, with your rules. So if you want to make a breakthrough this year, here are 3 simple steps. First, writing in a short email about your business. Link below in description. Second step, I will build a personal assistant for you and show you how to use it. And third step, you use it to crush your competitors. It is that simple. And once you have your operations automated, you need to automate your marketing. Watch this next video, I'll show you how to put your social media on autopilot without hiring a team. I'll see you there.